This month we introduced two new functions, Autosave and Dashboard Global Replace, along with three enhanced features, MultiColumn Sorting, Filter and Sorting with a saved view, and MultiPage Select in the RealNex CRM. Let's start with Autosave. When making a change to a record on the main tables, a Save button appears. If you don't click the Save button and you try to perform another operation, such as changing tabs, the CRM will warn you with a prompt asking if you want to save your changes. For those who always want to save, you can now enable Autosave so you can keep working and not have to remember to save your changes. To turn Autosave on, click the My Account Personal Data menu, then click the Preferences tab and click the checkbox to turn Autosave on. You can turn it off anytime. Global Replace in the dashboard. The Global Replace in dashboards is an extension of the existing Global Replace for the other main tables. Open the dashboard, select the record you want to change, click Global Replace, choose the field to update, and the value you want to use. Multi-sorting in the CRM. You can now sort any main table using multiple fields. For example, sort your properties by state, then city, then address. If you want to sort by more than one column, click the heading for the first column you want to sort by, and then hold down the Shift key while clicking more columns. To clear the multi-column sort, click any column header without holding down the Shift key. Adding filters and sorting to saved views. When you save a column view, you can quickly recall that view in the CRM. Now you can also save the sort order of the columns and add a filter to the view. For example, I want to see all vacant spaces sorted by size, largest to smallest. Open the table you want to create a column view for. If you want to save a filter with your column view, set the filter first. Click the column button and edit. To set the order, click the arrows. Click twice to reverse the order. Save the view. If you want to save a filter with the view, click the Attach Filter button. If a column view has a saved filter, you'll see a filter icon next to it in the list. That will alert you that choosing the view will also set a filter. You can clear or update the filter at any time using the standard filter controls in the CRM. If at some point you want to add, update, or clear a filter from a saved column view, you can do that from the Manage menu. Edit the saved view and click Detach Filter or Update Filter. MultiPage Select. We updated the selection of records to include multiple pages. When you select a record now, you'll see two new options in the record menu bar, Show and Clear. Now you can select records on any page, and RealNex will remember them all. In this example, I selected 2 records from page 1, 2 more from page 2, and on page 5 I selected all the records. You can see RealNex shows 26 records selected. I'll unselect all the records on page 5, and then just select 3. The system correctly shows I've selected 7 records now. If you want to see the records you've selected at any time, you can check Show. In this case, the system returns the 7 records I selected from the 3 pages. This makes selecting records from a large query spanning multiple pages possible. To see all 5 pages of records again, you just uncheck Show. All the records I selected are still checked, and as you move from page to page, you can see the system retain the correct information. You can even do this with multiple filters to get different sets of records, and the system will remember the records you selected from the previous filters. This makes quick work of finding the records you want from different groups or filters. To release the records you've selected, click the Clear button.